before we get started, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Excellent.
I'm a little nervous.
A little nervous, okay.
But it's fun.
Excellent, alright.
It's fun.
I'll come to you, so just keep it out in front of you, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Goose. Goose. Peace. You ready? Good boy. Good boy, Echo. Good boy. Okay, you need to try to lift him up and be a little animated.
Okay.
There you go. Good boy. Try to tag him with your hand. Free hand. Oh, that sucks. You need to show him how it's done.
Okay.
You want him? Good boy, Echo. Good boy. There you go. Good job, Echo. Get that guy. Good boy. Okay, now stop moving. House. Goose. How do you feel? You feel okay with him? Okay, go ahead and put the suit on. Goose. Hit you at? Your arm? Okay. The arm. Goose. Good boy, Echo. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy. How's that feel? Pretty hard? Good boy. Get that. What's this pussy shit doing, huh? Get this guy. Good boy. Freeze. Else. Turn around. Right here. Right here. Right here. No. Right here. There you go. Right here. Echo. All right, dog. I don't think he's ever done suit work.
Doesn't look like it.
Out. Take it out first, straight. Okay, turn around. No. Now start running that way. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Attaboy, Echo. Good boy. Good job, Echo. Good boy. Out. He's never done suit work before. Just guide. Do some teasing like you're gonna come in and try to hit me or whatever. Good boy. Just guide. Good boy, Echo. Good boy, Echo. Good boy. Get that guy. Get him, Echo. Get him. Good boy. Good boy. Out. Okay. Take off running that way. Passo. Good boy, Echo. Good boy. Good boy. House. Boost. Nine. Boost. House. Boost. Booey. I think he's starting to get the idea. Okay. Come in. Just guy. Good boy, Echo. Good boy. Good boy. Passo. Get that guy. Get him, Echo. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Echo. Good boy. That's what I was looking for.
That was pretty awesome.
Okay. That's good.